This video is going to be a quick one. If you've ever wanted to know if you could mount an OEM Nardi from a Miata into your Protege, you're in luck. Steering wheels are identical, minus a few differences, but none of these will prevent you from installing this piece. I kind of feel like Mazda should have offered this as an option on the Protege, or at least on the MP3 or Mazda Speed versions. This is another reason I'm doing this. It just looks so at home in the interior of the car. These wheels are so similar that the only real difference is that one is made of a synthetic perforated foam, as shown here, and the other one is genuine leather and has a Nardi emblem embedded into the wheel. But just seeing the emblem makes the steering wheel look so much better, or at least it does to me. With the airbag off, you can see some minor differences. For example, the bracket that forms the contacts for the horn is mounted into the wheel in 3 places with E-torque screws. The Nardi has 4 mounting screws for its horn plate. You will also notice the white connector has a longer wire and is grounded in a different location. This connector does the job of grounding the clock spring. The connector is exactly the same and no modifications are needed. Other differences are that the Protege wheel has no inner markings inside the airbag housing. The Miata Nardi has a Nardi embossed stamp inside the housing. To get started, before removing the airbag, always disconnect the battery. This has been performed, though not shown. On the side of the steering wheel, there are 2 rubber plugs that need to be removed to access the 10mm bolts that affix the airbag. Next, remove the 2 screws that fasten the airbag into place. Carefully remove the airbag ignition assembly. On the back of the airbag is a large yellow connector with a white locking lever tab. The tab is spring-loaded and needs to be pushed down on one end to release the locking portion. Then pull the connector apart. Take a 21mm 3/8 socket and a ratchet with extension and remove the locking nut. Disconnect the white ground connector for the clock spring assembly. The steering wheel presses far into the shaft splines, so removing it may take a bit of aggressive oscillations. Center the new steering wheel and spin on the locking nut. Then use the 21mm socket ratchet combo to torque it into place. Connect the ground for the clock spring and connect the large yellow connector for the airbag. On the back of the airbag unit is a small clear L-shaped tab. This is where the yellow airbag connector rests. The small square hole is where the tab goes. Install the airbag unit and install the 2 10mm screws and then replace the 2 rubber plugs. connect the battery, and then test the horn for proper operation. If you like this modification, of course, you can buy these steering wheels on eBay minus the airbag for anywhere between $85 and $120, which is pretty cheap for this mod. It's just something that kind of improves the interior look of the car. Just kind of gives that little extra touch that, you know, it's something that Mazda could have included as an option for the Protege. Okay. All right, guys, that's going to take care of today's really quick, short modification video. If you like what you see, click the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.